Alex with you again on another high conflict child custody video. This video is going to be on peremptory challenge of judge. It's going to be a really short video. I really just want people to know that this exists. So at least in Nevada it does. A peremptory challenge of judge is a way for you to take a look at the judge that's been assigned to your case, and if you decide you don't like the judge, you can file this peremptory challenge of judge in your case, and it will kick the judge off the case right away. You don't have to give any reason. You don't have to give any justification. There are other tools that allow you to disqualify the judge, and those do require you to file a motion and to articulate your reasons for why you want the judge disqualified. Usually you have to show either actual or implied bias. It can get pretty complicated. They're usually denied. But the peremptory challenge of judge is something that's available to you, at least in Nevada, and at least right now. That could change, but I don't think it will. Other states hopefully have this. In Nevada, you have the right to one peremptory challenge of judge in your civil case. I don't know how criminal cases work. They may be able to use it more than once, but in Nevada you can only do it one time. You have to do it in the very beginning of your case, and I believe there are edge cases out there that allow you to use it in other unusual situations. For example, I don't know, maybe you have a judge and he loses his election and a new judge is put on your case. I believe there are exceptions allowing you to file a peremptory challenge of judge. Even though your case has been going for a while, you really had no opportunity to challenge him because he wasn't your judge. He wasn't elected at the time. Any other weird issues, like maybe a judge retires or is convicted of judicial ethics and is removed from the bench or is appointed by the governor, and all these oddball cases, there's cases out there that articulate when you can file the peremptory challenge of judge. But it is important for people to know that this is a tool that exists. Lawyers use it all the time. If you want to use it as a non-lawyer, you're allowed to. Hopefully your state has it too. If you do research on your judge and you are like freaked out for whatever reason, and you just want a different judge, you can file that. Just want to repeat a couple of things. Yes, you can only do it one time, at least in Nevada and at least in civil cases. So once your judge is removed from the bench and or once your judge is disqualified from your case and another judge is assigned to you, you can't use it again. The other thing is there's a pretty hefty fee that you have to pay for it to happen. When I first checked, it was like $300, but I think it went up to $450. It sounds like a lot of money, and it is because it's like 2 or 3 times. I think it's around 2 times what it costs to file your case. But filing appeals is way more expensive and time consuming. So if you think you have a bad judge and you're going to have to be correcting his errors with appeals, it's probably better to just file the peremptory challenge. So again, just know that this tool exists. Check it out. Do some research on it. If you need to use it in your case, that's something that you can do. And with that, I'm going to end this video.